Are you investing your marketing dollars with Google? If not, you're missing out on a huge opportunity. Today we're going to talk about the 5 things you need to know about Google advertising, both today and for the future. Hey guys, Praz Murthy, CFO and co-founder at Dr. Multimedia, coming at you with another one of our marketing jam sessions, as we've grown to call them, today with a new backdrop here in beautiful La Jolla, California. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you're the first to know every time we put out new videos. And if you haven't already, please like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and be sure to check out our brand new podcast, Practice Growth with Praz, so you get the latest in all forms of media when it comes to these marketing sessions that we're doing. The next thing that you should know about Google Ads is that you can absolutely do it yourself. I make sure to disclose this to every client of mine that I talk to because I don't want it to be this magical or mystical thing like a lot of marketers make it out to be, where it's going to be impossible for you to do and you have to pay another company to do it. It's simply not true. You could easily call up Google, you could get an account going, you can pay them direct, and you can manage the AdWords account on your own, no problem whatsoever. But the reason my clients don't is they don't have the time, the energy, or even the interest to be doing any of those things. Whereas another business owner who doesn't have to see patients all day long might be able to manage their AdWords account in addition to everything else they're doing, and we want to keep a really close eye on it. Most of the time, if one of my clients tries to do AdWords on their own, they call Google, they set it up, they get it going, they pay their bill, and they never look at it again. And that's absolutely the worst way that you could be doing Google AdWords. Google AdWords is about reading the results, analyzing them, and reacting to the information that you're being given in real time. That's what makes it a successful marketing platform, that you can make adjustments on the fly, day to day, minute by minute, hour by hour. That's brand new when you think about old forms of marketing like TV commercials or radio commercials, Yellow Pages ads, newspaper ads, being in the local mailer. All of those you have to give 6 months, a year, multiple years before you can even begin to figure out if it worked or not. A platform like Google Ads gives you real-time results and you can make adjustments. But what comes along with that benefit is the fact that it needs constant attention. And again, you absolutely could do this on your own, but you should be in the account every day, looking over the results, making adjustments to your bids, refining your keywords, looking at searches, understanding what negative keywords you have to have, increasing your budget, decreasing your budget. And ultimately, that's not anything that most of my clients would want to do themselves. So absolutely, you can do Google AdWords yourself. You can do it well on your own, but you have to be willing to invest the time, the energy, and the attention into what you're doing to see the results. If you're not, it's not going to perform well and you're essentially going to be wasting some of your money. That's where a company like Dr. Multimedia, there's lots of agencies out there that do it, but particularly we do it for our clients because we know that we need to take all of that off of your plate. We boil it down to what budget you want to run. We produce simplified reports for you to take a look at, get a general idea if things are going well or not. And of course, if you want to dive deeper, we've got marketing specialists on hand at any hour of the day to review those results with you and help you understand what's going on. So again, remember, you absolutely can do Google Ads on your own, but you may not want to.